Alright guys, Porche Macan, whatever you want to call it, with 12,000 miles. I'm going to show you how to do the oil change. Alright, so if you have a car between 2019 and 2021, this video is for you. Alright, I'm going to show you how to do the oil change. Come on, let's go, let's get Axtuo. Boom. You come down here, this is how you open the hood. Pull it once, kind of look like Audi, right? Then right here in the middle is the lever to open the hood. Okay, you see it. Pow in your face. You don't need to hold the hood though because it has pistons on both sides. Here's the engine oil cap, okay. To get to the oil filter, just pull this cover up. Here's the oil filter. It looks like an Audi engine, huh? Okay. Alright, let me break it down for you. Coolant reservoir, brake fluid reservoir, windshield fluid reservoir, motherboard, alternator, AC compressor, oil filter, the fan. Alright. 32 millimeter socket. This is a shallow one. 3/8. Turn counterclockwise. All right. Be careful though, because it might overflow. The oil, it might overflow. Right. There you go. That's how it looks like. Everything Gucci down here. You're gonna see this cover, okay? And for this, screws, bolts, whatever you wanna call it, you're gonna use a T25, okay? All right, let's do it. All right, let's see. Okay, it's a big cover, so you know, we'll start here. All right, I want to see something here. Not yet, not yet. All right. Let's see, I want to see some around here. Okay. There's one here. Another one here. One here. Here too. It's a big cover, right? Then you have some clips over here and over here. Right. I'm gonna use this for those clips. They're kind of funny. Oh, they big. Force. So I did it like this. Okay, there's another one over here. It's better if you first do it with this and then with this. Okay. Now I'm gonna do this. Right, there you go. This is just the same as the Audi, okay? Just with a bigger cover. Come through here. You're gonna see it right here. Just grab your flat screwdriver, turn it. Okay. Everybody knows this oil drain plug. Nothing crazy. All right, grab your flat screwdriver, put it there, turn it counterclockwise. Be careful though, you're gonna get it splashy. Bounce, 1, 2, 3, bounce. All right. Ooh, it looks like chocolate. As dirty as, you know what I'm about to say. And this is the oil drain plug. Okay, same as Audi, like I said before. We're gonna let it drain for a minute. All right, I'll be back. All right, when you drain most of the oil, you know, just put it back the same way you remove it, same way you put it back, clockwise to tight it, and it's gonna stop right there. Okay, there's no, you cannot go further. Okay, and that's it. All right, now we're gonna put the cover back and pour the new oil and change the oil filter. All right, I'm gonna show you how to replace the oil filter right here. You know, same old. You got the cartridge. There you go. Got the oil ring right here. The same as the Audi though. Okay, it's the same as the Audi. I'm gonna clean it. All right. Oops. This is the filter. Main filter. That's the part number. HU6013Z. Let's see what's inside. The new and the oil ring. All right. There, like that. It doesn't matter which way, okay? It's the same thing. I'm gonna put the oil ring like that. All right. Ready to go. No biggie. We're good to go. Let's get it. We're gonna loop the oil ring with some oil, okay? WD-40 or grease. You can use any of those. Put it back, tighten it, snug it. This thing usually tells you the torque specification, 25 Newton. Okay. Make sure everything's Gucci. Now we're gonna pour the oil. All right, book says 5.5, 0 20. And that's what we're gonna do. All right. 5.5, 5 quarts and a half. This is what I do, though. All right, this is what I do all day, every day, baby. Not playing, play with me. Play with me. Play with me. Right, after the 5.5, put the engine oil cap back, start the car. All right, when you put the cover back, be careful, okay? If you do it when the car is running. Okay, that's it. All right, step on the brake, start the car. You're gonna see that message. All right. You just press this guy, press it. That message is gonna go away. Now scroll down. This is how you scroll down. Okay, you're gonna scroll down, go to vehicle, press OK, press it like this. I mean, like that. It's gonna take you there. So like that. Scroll down. That's to check if you put the right amount. So it's 5.5. Okay, like I said before. All right, let's try with this one. Go special function. Oil reset. Europe. Let's see, Porche right here. Macan. Okay, oil change to 0. You know what? Oil change to 0. Invalid input. Okay. Oh, the current date. Okay. So the day is, today is the 10th. Wait, hold on. 8, 10, 23. Done. Okay. All right, let's see. Now I come over here. I'm gonna start the car. I'm gonna go to the same info, messages, nothing, just a tire thing, which I did already. And yeah, you're gonna need a scanner to do the oil life reset. That's how you do it. Hope you like this video. Hope you enjoy. You know where to find me. It's Axtuo. Burung. Hala at your boy.